Are you a support group facilitator looking for better ways to engage and empower your members? Whether you're just starting or have years of experience, having the right tools can make a world of difference. Support groups create a space for healing, connection, and personal growth. But keeping members engaged and making sessions effective can be challenging. That's why today, we're diving into some of the best tools, resources, and techniques to help you create meaningful experiences for your members. We'll explore fun icebreakers, assessment tools, techniques for engaging discussions, digital platforms that simplify group facilitation, and how MentalHappy makes running support groups seamless. Let's jump right in. Facilitating a support group goes beyond leading discussions. It's about creating a safe, supportive space where people feel heard, understood, and empowered. The right tools help you keep members engaged, support different communication styles, and foster deeper conversations and personal growth. Let's explore the must-have tools that every facilitator should know about. A simple way to break the ice and encourage connection is through interactive activities. One great method is Bingo for Connection. Instead of numbers, create a bingo card with personal experiences like practicing mindfulness, journaling, or meditation. Members walk around and collect signatures from others who match a square. This encourages conversations and connections in a natural way. Another great activity is creative problem solving. Divide members into small groups and assign a theme like essential items for stress relief. Groups brainstorm and share their lists, sparking deeper discussions about self-care and mental wellness strategies. Is the spectrum line activity. Set up an imaginary line and read a statement like, "Self-care is easy for me." Members position themselves based on their level of agreement, leading to insightful discussions on different perspectives. Personality assessment tools help members understand themselves and their group dynamics. One popular tool is Personality Dimensions, which helps individuals recognize their communication styles, how they respond to challenges, and how they can best support one another. Another widely used tool is the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI. This assessment helps members understand their strengths and weaknesses, improve communication, and contribute more effectively in a group setting. One structured method for deep discussions is to divide the group into two circles, an inner and an outer circle. The inner group discusses a topic while the outer group listens. After a set time, participants switch roles. This technique promotes active listening and thoughtful discussions. Paired listening is another approach that builds trust and empathy. One member shares while the other listens without interrupting. No advice is given, just focused, supportive listening. This creates a safe space for self-expression and emotional growth. Role-playing exercises are also useful for problem solving. One member acts out a real-life challenge they've faced, and others step in to suggest different responses. The group discusses the best approaches, helping participants practice conflict resolution and emotional expression in a realistic and engaging way. Technology can be a game changer when running support groups. One of the best tools available is MentalHappy. This all-in-one platform makes it easy to facilitate support groups by providing private and secure group spaces, scheduling tools with automated reminders, AI-powered engagement insights, and HIPAA-compliant privacy features. MentalHappy also offers secure payment processing for professional-led groups. Other useful digital tools include Miro or Mural for virtual whiteboarding and brainstorming, Google Forms for anonymous check-ins and feedback, and Zoom breakout rooms for small group discussions during virtual meetings. For facilitators looking to improve their skills, there are many valuable books and training courses. Active Engagement by Norman Amundsen provides strategies for keeping group sessions interactive. Approaches to Group Work by David Capuzzi offers structured guides for effective facilitation. Online training courses like Personality Dimensions, Facilitator Training, and Group Facilitation Strategies can help facilitators develop advanced techniques for leading support groups. Being a support group facilitator is more than just leading discussions. It's about creating a space where people feel safe. A support group facilitator is more than just leading discussions. It's about creating a space where people feel safe, heard, and supported. Engagement is key. Using a mix of activities, tools, and structured discussions can keep members actively involved. Supporting different communication styles is essential. Some people prefer open conversations, while others engage better through interactive exercises. By incorporating a variety of techniques, facilitators can create an inclusive and effective group environment. Keep evolving. Explore new facilitation techniques and digital tools to keep your group thriving. And if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to streamline your support group, check out MentalHappy today. What's your favorite facilitation tool? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more mental health tips.